You are watching Travel World Online.
News highlights of the day. Airbus Helicopters and SIDBI sign an MOU for helicopter financing in India. Task elects new leadership to drive tourism development forward. ITTA announces new managing committee. The Jordan Tourism Board invites Indian travelers to explore the authenticity of Kingdom of Time. IHG Hotels and Resorts debuts Crowne Plaza brand in Punjab with a signing in Amritsar. Estuary Sarovar Portico, Poovar Island rebrand as Estuary Sarovar Premier, Poovar Island. News in details. Airbus Helicopters and Small Industries Development Bank of India, SIDBI, the Government of India's principal financial institution for promoting, financing and developing the micro, small and medium enterprise MSME sector, have signed a Memorandum of Understanding MOU for financing the purchase of Airbus helicopters in India. The Travel Agents Society of Kashmir, TASC, convened its 45th Annual General Meeting AGM on 18 May 2024 at Hotel Palm Spring, Srinagar. The society elected 5 office bearers and 9 managing committee members for the term 2024 to 2026. The Indian Tourist Transporters Association, ITTA, has announced the election of its new managing committee. The election, held on 17 May 2024, has brought a dynamic and experienced team of professionals to lead the association in promoting and enhancing the tourist transportation sector in India.
I think the all association need this kind of platform to take it from here, and this is the right time to launch this kind of an app because everything will be online sooner or later. So I wish all the best for this app, and I request all the association members to get active on this app as we in one platform we'll get everything and we will get connected together.
Download Travel Business App. The Indian Tourist Transporters Association, ITTA, has announced the election of its new managing committee. The election, held on 17 May 2024, has brought a dynamic and experienced team of professionals to lead the association in promoting and enhancing the tourist transportation sector in India. IHG Hotels and Resorts, one of the world's leading hotel companies, has announced the signing of a management agreement with SLRV Hotels to debut its Crowne Plaza brand in the state of Punjab. Sarovar Hotels has announced the relaunch of Estuary Sarovar Portico, Poovar Island as Estuary Sarovar Premier, Poovar Island following an extensive renovation encompassing the hotel's accommodations, public spaces and F&B outlets.
You are watching Travel World Online.